everyone, welcome to Learning Chinese with Teacher Mint. Today you will be learning Chinese through popular Chinese song Gang Gang Hao or Just Right by Xue Zhi Qian. I chose this song because it's my most favorite song of Xue Zhi Qian. I like the lyrics Gang Gang Hao as I like things to be just right. I'll be breaking down two parts of the song so that you can learn Chinese easily. 如果有人在等他，拨弄他的头发，思念刻在墙和瓦。如果 is if, 有 is have, 人 is person, 在 is at, 灯塔 is lighthouse, 拨弄 is play with, 他 is she, 他的 it become her, 头发 is hair, 思念 is the feeling of missing someone, 刻 is carve, 在 is at, 墙 is wall, 和 is and, 瓦 is cement, tar or brick. 镜子里的人说假话，违心的样子你决定了吗？装聋或者作哑，要不我先说话。我们的爱情到这刚刚好，剩不多也不少，还能忘掉。我应该可以把自己照顾好。我们的距离到这刚刚好，不过我们拥抱就挽回不了。用力爱过的人不该计较。镜子 is mirror, 里 is in, 人 is person, 的 is used to connect the description and the noun. So 镜子里的人 means that the person that is in the mirror. 说 is say, Xia is fake. Hua is words. Weixing means you are not following your heart. Yangzi is look. De is used to connect the description and the noun. So 唯心的样子 means that it's the way you look when you are not following your heart. 你 is you. 决定 is decide. 了 makes it a past tense. Decided. Ma makes it a question. So have you decided? 装 means pretend. Long is deaf. 或者 means or. 作哑 means being a mute. 装聋作哑 is actually a Chinese idiom that means that you are pretending to be deaf or mute. In other words, you are pretending that you do not know. 要不 is how about. 我 is I. 说 is say. 话 is words. 说话 being used together means to speak or talk. 先 is first. So it's I speak first. How about I speak first? 我 is I. 我们 is we. 我们的 it becomes our. 爱情 is love. Can be love relationship or love feeling. 道 is rich. 这 is here. 刚刚好 is just nice. 胜 is left. 不 is no or not. 多 is a lot, much or many. Bu is not. Sao is little. Yeah is also. Not a lot, also not little. Hai is still. Learn is can. 忘掉 is forget. Wo is I. 应该 is should be. Ke is able or can. Ziji is myself. Zhao gu is take care. How is good. I should be able to take good care of myself. 我 means I. 我们 means we. 我们的 it becomes our. 距离 is distance. 到 is reach. 这 is here. 刚刚好 is just nice. 不 is not. 够 is enough. 我们 is, in this case, is us. It also can be we. 拥抱 is hug. So it's not enough for us to hug. 就 is then. 挽回 is to reverse something. So 挽回不了 means it's not reversible anymore. 用 is use. 力 is strength. 用力 is you use a lot of strength and effort. 爱过 爱 is love. 过 means in the past. So you will add a D to the love. 人 is person. 的 connects the description to the noun. So a person that loved with his strength and effort. 不该 is should not. 计较 means you calculate based on your personal gain.